In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use archivarix.com to restore content from the Wayback Machine. Have you ever stumbled upon a web page through the Wayback Machine and wished you could bring it back to life on your own site? Well, Archivarix is a tool that allows you to do just that, effortlessly. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to the official Archivarix website. This is where the magic happens, allowing you to restore historical web content easily. Once you are on the site, look for the Wayback Machine Downloader and the Website Downloader section. Archivarix is not only useful for downloading, it also converts online content into a manageable CMS, saving you plenty of time and effort. Now that you are on the Archivarix homepage, you'll need to set your language preferences. Click on the English option to ensure you get instructions and prompts that you can understand and follow easily. This switch is crucial for getting through the process without any language barriers interfering. Next, you'll see a place to fill in the domain of the website you want to restore. Carefully enter the domain name into the field provided. This is the address that Archivarix will scan to pull from the Wayback Machine. Double-check the domain to ensure there are no errors because even a small typo could lead to the wrong results. You'll also need to specify the exact point in time you want to retrieve the content from. This is done by filling in what's called the timestamp. The timestamp refers to the specific date and version of the site you want to restore. This is particularly useful if you know the exact version of a website that holds the content you're interested in. When you're prompted again to fill up the timestamp, remember that this step might need repeating to ensure accuracy. Sometimes the interface might need an extra confirmation of the timestamp, so if prompted again, just enter the same timestamp to proceed smoothly. The next box requires your email address. Make sure to fill this in accurately, as it's where Archivarix will send you the link to download your restored files. This email is vital for retrieving the restored site later, so ensure it's an email you can easily access. Finally, the moment you've been waiting for. Click on the Restore button. This will initiate the restoration process, allowing Archivarix to start compiling and